It has finally happened. Photos of the new Tesla Model Y Juniper have been leaked by a Reddit user, Jack, and let's just say Elon is not happy at all. I'll go over everything we know so far, the potential release date based on what history tells us, and some confirmed details we have learned from this leaked photo alone. My name is Iman and welcome to A State of Tech. This news is huge and kind of funny because we just covered a couple weeks ago there was a leaked photo posted by Tesla Newswire of an upgraded console showing an interior part unique to the Model Y refresh, which provided the initial speculation of its release, and following that, ex-user Peggy stated, "There's rumors going around that the Tesla Model Y refresh will be ready by next month." I'm having a hard time believing that, to which Elon quickly shut down by responding, "No Model Y, air quote, refresh is coming out this year. I should note that Tesla continuously improves its cars, so even a car that is 6 months newer will be a little better," implying the over-the-air software updates that Tesla does across all their models, including the spring update we just got, and we can expect even more updates coming very shortly, which I'll cover in a video. But now, this leaked photo of the new Model Y Juniper with camouflage in California makes its way around the internet. If you look closely, the camouflage is added to the front and the back, and it paints a very similar story to when the new Model 3 was initially leaked last year. Now, because everyone now more than ever has been guessing the release date and expecting an official announcement from Tesla about it, Elon has frankly had enough of the Model Y Juniper release talks. He stated on X, again clarifying, "There is no Model Y this year. Please stop hinting there is, as it damages our sales of the current version." And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now, even though his concern is valid and investors would likely want to report strong Model Y sales year over year, hey, even I too am an investor, but I think this strategy is unfair to buyers. A vehicle is a big purchase, so there needs to be some transparency on release dates, since people would probably feel pretty shitty buying the current Model Y and the new one gets released only months later. So I'll be going over the potential release date of the Model Y Juniper, but before I do, we need to go over what we learned from this leaked photos. There was previously speculation surrounding the updated Model 3 possibly integrating a front bumper camera, but currently only the Cybertruck has this feature along with a camera washer. Anticipated revisions of the Model S and the Model X were also expected to include this lower bumper camera, although these versions have yet to hit the market. It remains unclear though why Tesla did not introduce the new camera alongside the redesigned Model 3 bumper during the factory retooling. However, the big news, the recent spy shots of the refreshed Model Y suggests it could become Tesla's second vehicle to adopt the bumper camera. Tesla Newswire shared a brightened photo revealing a front bumper camera in a location similar to the Cybertruck and early Model 3 prototypes. While the launch of the updated Model Y in North America holds high anticipation, there is speculation it could debut with hardware 5 sensors and computers, potentially introducing the new FSD package Elon estimated to be 12 to 18 months from production, now known as AI5. Now, here are the expected upgrades we can anticipate the Model Y Juniper to have based on how the Model 3 refresh has turned out, such as the new front and rear fascias, updated LED headlights, interior ambient lighting, new color options, enhanced speakers, and improved dynamics are likely to be included in the Model Y as well. Combined with its already strong sales performance, these updates position the Model Y for the continued success. However, two features I would love to see are: one, increased range. Now, the most common complaint gas drivers have is they are able to go further with a full tank of gas. And they're not wrong. I believe Tesla can considerably close this gap in range to increase their potential buyers. Right now, the maximum range for the Model Y in the long-range rear-wheel drive, which isn't available everywhere yet, by the way, it offers 320 miles of estimated range. And gas cars, on average, easily can manage well above 400 miles of range before having to fill up again. Secondly, I would like to see bi-directional charging added to the Model Y, like they have added it to the Cybertruck. And now you may be wondering what that means. It basically allows the vehicle to output energy from the high voltage battery to be used externally. And if you think about it, that's absolutely a game changer. And that battery, if it's charged, it just makes sense to use that power for external use if you have it. A lot of other car manufacturers have added it, and if the Model Y adds this, it would be an absolute game changer in driving up sales. Now let's get into the release dates. If history repeats itself, The leaks of the current Model 3 refresh was leaked around the same time last year. So that would mean we can expect a release overseas first in the latter part of this year, and then over to North America in early 2025. Let me know what features you want to see in the new Model Y Juniper, and be sure to subscribe for more Tesla content.